First batch of Indians have been evacuated from Iran. They are to come to India later today. Over 100 Indians will come back to New Delhi from Yerevan. Airspace closures in the region and flight disturbance could delay their flight, but so far there is no confirmation on the same. Now, due to mounting tensions, the next batch of Indians is still waiting to leave Iran. This is a mission that has been carried out very successfully, as 110 students were taken to Armenia from the border. They were based in Yerevan, and from there they are to take a flight to New Delhi, where they are expected to land today. The rest of the students and other Indians who are still in Iran, efforts are on to be able to evacuate them at the earliest. So this primarily is the first batch of Indians that has been evacuated so far. Let me cut across to my colleague Shreya Chatterjee, who's tracking all the developments on the ground regarding the same. Shreya, give us exact details of when these 110 students are to land in India today. Is at some point expected that it will happen. Meanwhile, for the others who are still remaining to be brought to India back, and they are in Iran, what's the status on them?
Well, Swesha, tonight we will be seeing the first batch of students land in the national capital. They are the ones who were evacuated from Tehran to the Armenia region, and subsequently from Yerevan they are taking a flight. They're already on board the flight that will be landing post-noon in Doha. Subsequently, they will be taking the second flight from Doha to the national capital that is expected to land somewhere around 10:15. There must be some delay expected. That's also something that we have been told. Apart from that, there are some students that are still stationed in Qom in Iran. They are also to be evacuated from there today. The other students who were stuck in the Kirman region are being moved to Mashhad. Mashhad is lying the Turkmenistan border, so there are already movements under its way to evacuate all the students and other Indian nationals who are still in Iran. But the first batch of students, with 110 students, 90 alone from Jammu and Kashmir, will be reaching the national capital tonight.
All right, Shreya, many thanks for getting us those details as we continue to track every movement of those Indians, some who are stuck in Iran, some who are to be brought back to New Delhi today. Parents of those students who heave a sigh of relief that their children are expected to come back